Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because we are doing another Ipsy unboxing, and this time it's a special one because it's for the month of December. So if you want to know what's inside my Ipsy Glambag and Boxycharm by Ipsy, then keep on watching. So I've looked at this bag recently and it's an exciting one. This month just blew my mind and I can't wait to share it with you. So here's the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the smallest subscription they have. It contains 5 deluxe size samples, but they always say that, but really there's always one full size item out of the 5. And it's usually like an eyeliner or a makeup brush, that kind of thing. But this time, everything in here, guys, just exciting new brands. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, first let's look at the Glambag purse. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. This one definitely screams Christmas theme, right? Has the red bow and the pink bag. It's like the perfect accent. And inside, I mean the detail, guys. Oh, the candy cane stripes. This is one of the cutest bags. I like to keep very few bags whenever I do an unboxing, and I think this is one of them. I really want to keep this for myself. Ipsy outdone themselves on this one, and you have the gold Ipsy logo on the zipper. So beautiful. Well, it was already peeking out, so let's get right to it. They have the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. Okay, guys, you know I'm big with Tatcha products. I mean, at least I try to be. There's no scent. This is one of my most favorite overnight repair cream. I like to do this right on top of my serum. So after my serums, I put this on. And it's amazing. It makes my face so plump and smooth the next day. Like, you see results the next day. Let me just show you. Here it is. I have the big size, the full size. Tatcha is kind of an expensive brand, so I only pick and choose certain items that I really feel is worth the money. And this is one of them. I have the big size. Here's the sample size. So just to get a perspective, the sample travel size one is around $30. So, and I stock up on Tatcha during the Fukubukuru season in January. So I cannot wait because last year I skipped it. I don't know why, but be on the lookout for that. And if you're thinking of trying Tatcha products, this is the time. Enough of the Tatcha. It's all about Ipsy, but I cannot believe that Tatcha is in Ipsy bags now. That is insane. That's insane. Like, Ipsy definitely leveled up this year. I hope that's like a preview of what's to come in the next new year, you know? Next item is the Nina Body Lotion. This is a great stocking stuffer. I have so many body lotions now in my subscription boxes that I'm gonna save this for maybe a possible giveaway. Ooh, this must be the full-size item. Love Craft Heaven. And it's looking like a really deep brown pencil, eye pencil. So love that. I got one recently in November from Ipsy, and I have both of them opened, like the purple one and like a silvery charcoal. I have it on my eyes right now, but it's like black, but it's better than that. It's one of the best blacks I've had because it has that brightening effect. I can't explain it. But I will put the name of the brand and the color here just so in case you guys are interested. Okay, Pixie. I've never gotten Pixie before in this bag. This is the Pixie by Petra Liquid Glow Lip Balm. It's a lip balm, but guys, the packaging, my daughter already wants it. So it's going to her. She saw it and she's like, it's mine. So it's like a raspberry color, but it's a lip gloss. I think this is a perfect color for her. My daughter is a little bit lighter And so, yeah, so this is a really nice color. And for a lip balm, it already comes with that tint. It's gonna be perfect. This is the perfect holiday color too. So really like that. This is in the color Ruby. Ruby. Oh my gosh, I wish I could try that one. They've got 2 full-size items, guys. Ah! Okay, I just can't. They're really living up to the expectation. This is the last one, and I gotta tell you, I am impressed. So this bag is supposed to be $75 worth of products, and I think you pay about $14 each month for the subscription. So I think this is definitely adding up to that price. This is the Evio Skin Pink Perspective Replenish Collagen Boost and Deep Puff Eye Therapy. So they are eye patches. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? Oh, okay, it looks nice. It looks like it has a little tray underneath the 2 eye patches. But yeah, you get a pair, and I think there is 3 pairs in this one. Not bad, not bad at all. That is the Glambag. Oh my gosh, this is one of the best. It's not one of the best. I have to say this is the best Glambag I've ever opened on my channel. So you've got this one, the Ipsy bag, which is adorable. You have the eye mask, you have the Pixie, you have the Lovecraft eyeliner, the lotion. It's just like a nice variety. And of course, the Tatcha. Oh my gosh, I am going to throw this right into my travel bag. I always use Tatcha's travel size products whenever I'm away on a trip. All right, guys, are you ready for the Boxycharm by Ipsy? Okay, let's open her up. Let's look at the card. Finding joy in small moments. That is definitely something to think about during this season, that it doesn't have to be something big or like you don't have to spend a lot of money to make someone happy. So Boxycharm actually comes with a magazine. There's that Boxycharm theme. Okay guys, Boxycharm by Ipsy is also super amazing. This is the LYS Moisture Matte Lipstick. So this is in the color Spread Love, which I like. And there's that color. I think that's the color right there. Next one is Well People Clean Beauty. Oh, powered by plants. Always excited about clean beauty. This is a pro mascara. Ooh, it looks like I'm gonna love the wand. So I might keep this one. And it's in the color Pro Black. I'm always on the hunt for one of the best mascaras around. It's hard to impress me when it comes to mascaras because I have the shortest lashes and I have the lashes that droop down. The struggle is real. But oh my gosh, this is super heavy, super luxe. I love the minimalist packaging right here. So can't wait to try that one. And then Rodial, great brand. This is an eye gel. Oh my gosh, they are really hitting us up on eye creams because they know we need it. Rodial is another amazing brand. This is Dragon's Blood. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. But it's an eye cream. This is perfect for travel. Always wanted to try Rodial eye cream. I thought they were just known for hair, but apparently they're also great at skincare. So I can't wait to try this. And then I'm saving the best for last, but this one is just as good, okay? L'Occitane. I can't. Why is L'Occitane in this box? Why? Like, Ipsy. I love these new brand collabs that they're having. L'Occitane Cream Mains. Molland? They're a hand cream. L'Occitane is a Bushy brand. They have their own store at the mall. They have that fancy store that no one dares to go to because you just know everything is too expensive. Well, if you guys don't know, I open up advent calendars. One of the very first advent calendars that I purchased was from L'Occitane. And that was a great way to try all of their products at the store that I've been so intimidated to try. And one of them is this hand cream. And how big is that? Okay, I'm just gonna open it because my hand is parched Yeah, it's the 20% shea butter. This is thick. Look at that. Look how hard and thick it came out. Love their hand creams. I love it. And this one is definitely going to help you through the winter season because it's nice and thick. That shea butter is definitely going to just have that outer layer on your hand that's going to stay put all throughout the day. So, oh my gosh. Now I have all the hand creams I need. I am set for the winter season. This turtleneck is seriously choking me. Okay. The last one, guys. It's been a while since this has shown up in my box. The Natasha Denona. Natasha Denona palette. Oh my gosh. I only own one other palette and it was also from Ipsy. But I feel like this, oh my gosh, this is it. This is my color. Like golds, rose golds, just the deep browns. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect everyday, like you can glam it up, especially with this one. That's like that would be my New Year's Eve color right there. Like if you're going to a party, that's it. But yeah, Natasha Denona, known for their amazing eyeshadows and formulas. So you just can't go wrong with this one. Highly recommend if you ever come across any of their mini palettes like these. Just find the color that speaks to you and that's it. You're done. Yeah, this is the palette Rose and Wood palette. Makes sense. Rose and Wood. Should we just swatch it? I'm just going to swatch it because why not? Okay, this is the time. All right, let me see if I still know how to swatch. This one is, yeah, there's that. Oh yeah, I expected nothing but the best. This is that silvery brown one. Oh my gosh. And this one is the middle color. Ooh, it's more like an orangey tone. And I bet this one is like more of the yellowy gold tone. Oh my gosh, where am I going to put this? Right there. Yeah. Why don't we just swatch the matte, the one and only matte color. Super creamy. Let's just go right there. See that? It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is everything. Dare I say the best Ipsy month. The Ipsy Glambag as well as this Boxycharm by Ipsy. It just beat out all the other months this year. So guys, what do you think? What do you think of this box? What is your favorite? This will be my last video for 2024. So I will see you again in 2025. I want to spend my time in peace and harmony and quietness with my friends and family. Be on the lookout for a major Ipsy giveaway on my Instagram. Winner will be announced in the new year. So watch out for that. Follow me on Terry Phil's Corner on Instagram. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.